Today we're replacing an auto registration sticker. I'd like to share 2 quick tips that I use to make this very easy. I used these 2 tips when I put the sticker on last year, so let's see how easily last year's sticker comes off. You can see these corners are covered with plastic, so they're not sticking to the window at all. So you can just fold that back, grab it, and peel the sticker off. Doesn't get any easier than that. And there's no marks on the window. Perfect. The first tip is to cover the 2 top corners of the sticker so that they don't stick to the window at all. I usually use the old sticker so that the colors match. So this is the new sticker. I'm going to put a piece of the old sticker in these 2 top corners. Just like that. Now that top corner's got nothing sticky on it because I've put a piece of plastic on top of it. I'll take another small piece and just stick it in this corner. It's just sticking out a little bit there, so I just use the scissors to cut off what's sticking out. And then you can see on the front, it's not sticky, but it's just blue, so it matches. The second tip is to make the sticker less sticky so that it's more like a Post-it note and less like super glue. I do that using the oil from my hands. So I just stick my hands all over this sticker to make it less sticky. You could stick it to your shirt to use the lint from your shirt. Sometimes I put it on the roof of the car because the car's got some dust on it. But the idea is just to make it less sticky. It still needs to be sticky so it sticks to the window, obviously. But we're just trying to make it less sticky so that after a year of being on there, it comes right off. And you can kind of feel it. It's not quite as sticky, but it's still sticky enough to hold it on there. And I'm just taking the oil off my hands to make it less sticky. And that's it. That's probably good enough. So we've got those 2 top corners covered with plastic, and the adhesive is not so sticky, so we can just go put it on the car wherever we want. If you don't like where it is, you can just lift it off a little bit and move it to a better place. If you use both of these tips, then removing the sticker should be super easy. Just grab the corner and pull off the sticker. There shouldn't be any glue on the window, and it should be easy to lift that corner up to pull it off. That's it. That works. I hope it helps.